How to add roles on Discord server. So hi guys, to get started, simply open your Discord application in your mobile device. Once open, go to your Discord server. Once you have selected a Discord server, simply go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the ellipses button. Now once you've clicked on the ellipses button, go to your server name and click on it. Now, when this pop-out shows up, click on the settings button. Now once you've clicked on settings, simply scroll down until you are routed to user management. Click on roles. After clicking on roles, click the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of your Discord application. Now, you can create a new role. Simply input your role name. So say for example, we are going to have good. Now for the role color, you just need to tap in role color and pick a color. Say for example, yellow. Now simply click on the create button below. And here you can actually set up permissions, but you could also skip this step. So let's try skipping this step. And then you can also add your members. Now you could also skip this step. And then you have successfully added your roles. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.